Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back on day with an unboxing. Recently, I did an unboxing video of Fioboc, I don't know how to pronounce it, t-shirts. T-shirts that I liked, but they were not summer friendly, sort of. Uh, and I tried double XL, but since they are slim fit, hmm, let me explain this. So I call it double XL, but that is not correct. XXL. Double XL or XL times two, as you can see on some clothes, there are difference between them. So XXL is not the same as two times XL, and I call them all double XL. One of them, I don't even know which one. I think XXL is just the same as an XL, just longer arms and longer. And double XL or XL times two, 2XL, are for fat people like me. uh, so this time I ordered XXXL, so 3XL or triple XL or not XL times three, so XXXL. So let's see how they fit. And I used had to have the hoodie, the t-shirt hoodie. Uh, so that was my main thing. But when I did the order, I saw that they had summer t-shirts as well. And I'm pretty sure that the ones that I ordered a couple of years ago that I didn't have time to try on was these. One of them is called Stay Cool 2.0. Maybe I just had a 1.0, the first one. And the other one is good for when you work out or for me when I wash the car. So sort of water resistance and antibacteria so you won't smell if you are sweaty, yada yada yada. So yeah, 3XL. So this one is called 3XL and not XXXL as I said. So let's see how they fit. Classic fit Dodger. And once again, I ordered different colors just so I should know which one is which, but I have already forgotten. So let me check the mail. The names didn't help me, the names of the color. So the Stay Cool 2.0 is Dodger Blue. I'm guessing it's this one. And the below one that is water resistance, I don't remember the name. I have already forgot the name of the color. Probably says somewhere. What is this one? And the hoodie I got in uh, carbon something and white. So let's start with the hoodie. So as I saw on the site, this is like the ones that I bought last time. So a bit thicker, not summer t-shirt, not thin. So soft, feels nice, and this time we don't see my belly. Oh yeah, I like this one with the hoodie. Yeah, I like this. And uh casual evening, summer evening, and I don't want to get mosquitoes in my head. This would be perfect. Can show you the carbon one as well. So the color is carbon something, but to me is green gray. So for me, when it's not all white, uh, blue or like this dark green gray is more dressed up. I like this. Yeah. And 3XL, it's my size. Yeah. Because I want them loose like this. They're supposed to be, because they are stretchy, they're supposed to be tight and you are supposed to have a six pack and muscles. But casual for me, yeah. It doesn't say anything on the t shirt, on the package, what kind of t shirt it is. So I don't know how they do themselves in their storage. Uh, but yeah, this is really soft and light and breathable. So I compared them with Uniqlo Aerism. This is even more softer and breathable, like a silk shirt. So I'm getting more of these all white, dark blue here. And it's crazy that 3XL, but here we are. And the one that I bought mainly because when I wash the car, I get all wet, and I hate that. I'm not sweaty, and yeah, let's see how that fits. Really nice. This was even better. Really, really soft. It doesn't feel like your standard t-shirt at all. Very stretchable. This one is like 4 times stretch or something. Really, really soft, and yeah, I like this. Breathable, and when the cotton, they have their own material thing, but when it's a bit heavy, it doesn't feel heavy. But when the material is a bit heavy, it's wrinkle free. This one is wrinkle free. Yeah, I like this. I like this. I'm getting more of these, all white ones, because now I know what I'm ordering. So now I can get all white and all dark blue as usual. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just ask me. I will do my best to answer them. Have you tried anything from Fioboc? Fioboc. Fioboc. I guess the name is.